So I used to edit videos for $50, $100 or $200. Then I discovered the secret to choose the right niche as a video editor. And this literally completely exploded my income. I could finally move towards Dubai, I could travel the world, and I could finally do whatever I want. I scaled towards where clients pay me today 3,000 euros per month, and I had multiple of these clients. And today I'm going to give you all of the information, how I did it, how I approached it, and how I would get these clients today again. I'm going to give away my strategies in this video to pick the right niche as a video editor, so you can also scale towards $3,000 per month per client, and then you can get multiple of those. One very important thing in the beginning: when you cannot watch this video till the end, learning how you can make more money and scale up your video editing business, then I need to be honest with you, most probably you will not make it as a video editor when you have an attention span of a goldfish. But if you really want to make more money, then stick into this video. The first step, you need to remove your limiting belief of that you change time towards money. Meaning, when you do video editing and you are on these platforms like Fiverr and others, you literally give your success into the hand of Fiverr. You can find so many clients out there when you just understand these simple methods I'm going to share in this video. The first step is, like I said, you need to change your mindset that you're editing videos and you giving hours away towards a result, which is the end result is the video, what you're selling at the moment. But if you're taking a look what you can actually do with a laptop and what you can actually do with a video program and with the videos clients give you, then when you understand it right, you can do far more than just editing a video. You can create results, and this is the main thing what scaled my video editing agency business, because when you're still trapped with the end result where the client is paying you per video, per hour, per clip, you're trapped. You cannot scale. You when you want to stay in this this region between, I don't know, maybe you make 2,000-3,000, stay into it, like total per month, stay in this region. But if you want to upscale, you need to learn this key thing, which is you need to sell a result. You need to sell a result as a video editor. You need to sell a result as a strategist, as a marketer, because video editing alone is just a small puzzle piece. And then when you understand this, then you can choose the right niche, because now suddenly you understand, oh, okay, what is actually creating result is you getting your clients, customers with video. For example, organic on platforms such as YouTube short form and long form short form, YouTube and all the other platforms, you're getting them clients. So the video alone is not enough. It's like, what video, for whom is this video, and how do I get these views into cash? And how I get these views into an appointment and then cash. This is the thing you need to understand later on. And you need to learn more how to get appointments booked for your clients. And suddenly video editing becomes not the most important thing here. Most probably, yeah, you still want to create attention. You can also say, yeah, when the video's edited very, very, very well, you get more views. Depends what niche you're picking. But when you understand this fundamental and you then pick the right niche where you can create results, because creating results takes less time and it's a bigger output for your client, so it's more variable for the client. And this is the main thing you need to understand, that the customer doesn't care if you spend 5 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, and he only makes, for example, 2,000 from this video. But for example, if you spend 10 minutes, 20 minutes editing the video, but you get him per video 1, 2, 3 clients, appointments booked into his calendar, suddenly your time becomes more valuable. And now when we pick the right niche, let's go into niche picking. Because what are niches where when you book a couple of appointments where the clients, where your clients, potential clients in the right niche make far more money? So let me tell you what niches I focused on and what I'm focusing still today, starting out with finance and real estate, because there are also different things you can edit for them. For example, you can scale their YouTube channel and get them appointments. You can scale their short form and get them appointments. How to get them appointments with a CRM system, for example, Go High Level, and you create lead magnets. And when you want to understand how this stuff works, I have a link, first link in the description. I explain everything, how to get these clients, how to upskill yourself as a video editor, what how to create a lead magnet, what is a lead magnet, how to do this with Go High Level, and so on and so forth, just click the first link in the description. I explained there especially how to scale to $10,000 per month as a video editor, as a video strategist. And when you understand then what videos to create on these platforms, you get appointments. And especially in the finance and in the real estate world, when you, for example, we are in Dubai here. And when we see any apartment buildings here which have been built many years back, and when you would create a video for a real estate agent years back here, and for example, you understood how the video to position in the right way, and he gets a lot of views on YouTube, for example, and from these views, he's getting appointments booked. This is the most variable thing, because now the focus is suddenly not to make the video amazing, suddenly it becomes value driven and you have the same interest as your client. And when you do this, suddenly you can give, for example, the task of video editing to somebody else. If you don't want to edit the videos because it's taking too much time, you can just hire somebody else and give the task to somebody else. And this is the main perspective switch you need to understand. Because then when you understand this, what I just explained in the video, you can now pick niches where you understand, okay, how much are they actually making per client and how do I can get them clients? And then you suddenly move in the same interest as your own client, because now it's not about anymore a video, it's about the same interest. You have the same interest as your client and your skill becomes far more variable. And therefore, this is the reason I can live in Dubai, because I don't change my time towards money, because I would work like a freaking robot 24/7. I can focus on the money-making tasks and on the money-making video task or the video strategy to create the right videos, the right funnel to get customers. Again, down below you'll find a case study how I scale towards $10,000 per month, how this whole thing works, what is a lead magnet, and how to build this, and how I shifted from a video editor towards making $10,000 per month as a video strategist. You can click on the first link in the description. And when you like this video, we most probably see each other in another video. Bye-bye.